Hey, this is William from Bear Bull Traders, and today we're going to go over tip number 4 for our first ever Bear Bull Traders Challenge. And remember, last week we had an amazing first week here of over 200 participants learning how to use DOS, asking questions. Some have joined our chat and got to meet us and learned how we trade live. And now today on the 23rd, it's the start of the weekends. We've got 2 days now to get ready for the opening of the competition, which is on the 25th, and we are all really excited. So hopefully you've started watching all of Carlos's tips on YouTube. And today we've got tip number 4, which is a simple reminder of what we're doing here. Okay, we are looking to trade setups. We are not simply looking to trade price action. If the stock goes up, we're not going to chase it up, and if the stock goes down, we're not simply going to short it down. We are looking for patterns that we've studied, that we recognize, that we know other people around the world are also looking for, and we are wanting to jump in with a group of traders all seeing the same thing with clear risk to reward that we can understand, okay? We are not going to go over all of the basic strategies that we use in the room or go into the details of it, but these are the simple strategies that we look for each and every day, that Andrew trades, that I trade, that all the other moderators trade in the room. Opening range breakups and downs, the bull flags and bear flags, the ABCDs, the reversals, and the moving average trend trades. And these are all types of trades that you need to learn about and study. And here is a pro tip here. Andrew champions this idea. Always remember where the VWAP is. If you can do that, your chances of having a successful trades will improve dramatically, okay? So let's just look at a couple of these strategies in one chart, okay? And again, this is not to go into detail on any of the strategies. It's just the reminder of what we're looking for. As a new trader, how can we simplify this a little bit for you so you're not just chasing things and you're not just confused and you have no idea what's happening? Look for simple setups, okay? So here we've got 2 setups in one. So this, the open of the body is down here. We've got a lower wick where the price action goes down. It goes up to the high end of the wick, and then it closes right here. So right here we have an opening range break up potential, meaning it opens here, it closes here, so it's a clear sign of strength. And now remember, where is VWAP? VWAP is right here, and the price action is above VWAP, so we love it for a long. Then once the price action breaks either the body or the wick, we have the confirmation and we want to take it long with the stop clearly right under VWAP, okay? And that's the power of VWAP. And then you get a clear move for a wonderful opening range breakup with amazing risk to reward, where if you play the body, you buy there. Once it breaks, your risk is here, and your reward is a 3-to-1 right there. Around a 3-to-1, maybe even a 4-to-1, okay? Now, in the same chart, we can see another strategy. We've got an A, a B, a C, and then a D up here. And remember, this is not to teach you about strategies right now. It is a reminder of you need to learn strategies, have your setups, and only trade your setups where the risk to reward is clear. You can understand what's going on, and in your head you know exactly how to execute a trade. So if we've got an A and a B and the C is the support, we understand that the price action is going to go up towards B, which is D, and it will break D, hopefully, is the plan here. So if you want to buy near support, you could buy at the break of this, because look at the support. Remember, pro tip, where is VWAP? VWAP is underneath the price action as clear support, just like it was here. So we can go long anywhere in this range. After it breaks a new 5-minute high, we have our stop at VWAP here, and then our risk to reward is clear. Our risk is here, and then you either go for a 1, a 2, or a 3, depending on how it looks, for a very simple and clear risk to reward. So to all you new traders, have your playbook of 1 to 5 setups that you look for and execute those setups, and then you study how they worked for you. You figure out how often they work, how often they don't work, how much you make, how much you lose, and then you perfect your strategies, and that is how you start to become a great trader. Well, I am so excited for Monday, and I hope to see you guys then.